Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a transparent watermark and InShot application. Alright guys, as you can see that here I have already created a project on my InShot application, and the first thing we're going to do if we want to create a transparent watermark is adding the watermark. So we can click on the text option right here and click on the text again, and you can type your watermark, and for example I'm just going to type watermark. Okay, and if you want to change the font of your watermark, you can click on this A button. Then you can select the font that you want or that you like, and for example I'm just going to select this one. And if you want to change the color of your watermark, you just need to click on the color option. Then you can select the color that you like, and for example I'm just going to zoom in like this. And to make this watermark transparent, we can just tap on the opacity right here. Then we can manage how transparent we want it to be. And for example, I'm just going to make it 50% transparent. Okay, now as you can see that the transparent watermark has been created, and we can place this watermark to the part of the video that we want. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to tap on this check mark button. Okay, and we can adjust the length. I'm going to make this watermark align with the video and click on this check mark button again. Okay, now this is the result. And alright guys, that's how we can create a transparent watermark on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.